Sometimes the heat of summer is just inescapable, and you really want something very refreshing. Today I'm taking a little bit of a departure from what is normally on this channel, and today on Jay's World Kitchen I'm going to show you a really simple and super tasty, easy lemonade. This is nice and refreshing on a hot summer's day, and if you've been working out in the garden, this is the perfect thing just to give you some refreshment and a quick boost. We're going to start off very simply with some nice fresh lemons, and really this doesn't take long at all. What we're going to do is we're simply going to cut them in half, and we're going to be juicing them until we have about 1 cup of lemon juice. Now, to get 1 cup, I used about 5 lemons. You might need 6 depending on the size of your lemons, but they're a decent size, sort of like just to hold in your hand just like that. That's going to be about 5, but it gives you almost exactly a cup. I'm a little bit over, which is fine, and we're just going to discard the rest of the pulp here. And now on to the next step. Now, honestly, this is really simple. If you already have crushed ice, you don't need a mixer like mine or a blender like mine, but if you don't, a blender like this is ideal. We're simply going to start off by putting in our lemon juice. And so that's 1 cup of lemon juice, and then about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of castor sugar or very fine sugar. And if you don't have very fine sugar, you can use regular granulated sugar. I just recommend grinding it up for a little bit. I'm going to just put in probably about 1/2 cup to start, because we'll give this a taste just to see how sweet it is. Now into that we're going to add 4 cups of cold water. And finally, approximately 1 cup of ice. And again, like I said, it can be crushed ice, but you can just use ice cubes if you have a nice blender like this. Now, before I mix that up, if you're enjoying this video, please remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and remember to turn on notifications so that you know when my next video drops. Now I'm using ice cubes, and I could tell that it was ready because I stopped hearing them sort of hitting the side of the container. But I'm going to give this a quick try just before we finish up, just to see if it's too tart. I'm adding a little bit more sugar, but you really don't have to. If you like it slightly on the tart side, and I'm not adding all of that sugar, I still probably have most of that 1/4 cup that's left in there, just a tiny bit more, and we're just going to mix it up again for just a few seconds. And now it's ready to serve. Really, this couldn't be simpler, and it already smells really great because I really like the smell of fresh lemon. So I'm going to give this a taste. Now, of course, you can add a little bit of grenadine if you like a pink lemonade. I like it just like this. Oh, that is just absolutely perfect. It's definitely not too tart. It's not too sweet. It really is just a wonderful flavor. You have to try this. And if you do, I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below how this turned out for you. I'd also like to take a moment just to thank all of my sponsors on Patreon. Without their financial support, this channel would absolutely not be possible. And if you'd like to find out more how you can support this channel financially from as little as $5 a month, please click on the Patreon link down below in the comments section. Now, if you'd like to see some more of my content, you can follow me on all of my social media, and those links are below in the comments section as well. Now, if you'd like to try some more recipes that use nice fresh lemon juice, you can click on this recipe for my lemon cheesecake, or this one for my absolute favorite, which is lemon meringue pie. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy drinking.